Hello and welcome to our video on how to manage your time effectively. Time management is a crucial skill that can help you achieve your goals and get more things done in less time. Here are 5 tips to help you manage your time more effectively. 1. Prioritize. Identify your most important tasks and prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. This will help you focus on the tasks that matter the most. 2. Plan ahead. Set specific goals for the day, week, or month and create a schedule that allows you to achieve them. Make sure to build in some buffer time in case of unexpected emergencies. 3. Get organized. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and reminders to help you stay organized and on track. This will help you avoid getting distracted by irrelevant tasks or activities. 4. Eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone or email notifications, close your office door, and eliminate any other distractions that could interfere with your work. This will help you focus on your tasks and complete them more efficiently. 5. Take regular breaks. Take short breaks throughout the day to recharge, refresh your mind, and prevent burnout. This will help you stay energized and focused for longer periods of time. So that's it for our video on time management. Remember, effective time management can help you achieve your goals, reduce stress, and improve your overall productivity. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to managing your time like a pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.